So here's a question for you. What's the area of this shape? What's the area of this sector of a circle? Well, it looks like a triangle, so it's going to be the base times the height divided by 2. So the area is the base times the height divided by 2. Is that right? Yes, it is. Believe it or not, this is in fact true. On the first glance, if I ask you for the area, you might be thinking about the whole circle, it's pi r squared, and then thinking about a certain fraction of that, which is theta over 360 degrees. And something complicated like that. Yes, of course that's correct. But you don't actually have to remember all these complicated formulas. It is just the same as a triangle. Now I know what you're thinking, this doesn't look right. Well, alright, so let's erase that and redraw this like this. So now I have a perpendicular height. Does that look better? It doesn't still look right. Well, let's try to replace some of the variables and prove this is correct. So let me call this length L. And of course this is the radius, but because the radius is the same as the perpendicular height over here. Okay, so we do know that this does give the correct answer. The question is, does this? Well, let's see. Well, I'm calling my base L, and I'm calling my height over here, as you can see, R, divided by 2. Well, what is L? Well, L is a fraction of the circumference. The whole circumference is 2 pi r, but L is just a fraction of it. So let's put in the fraction in front. So that's theta over 360 degrees times 2 pi r. So this is L. So we need to times r divided by 2. Let's simplify this. So we have theta over 360 degrees, 2 cancels with the 2, and we have pi r squared. Exactly what we want. So, from now on, whenever you need to find the area of a pizza, all you need to do is forget everything about angles and circles, etc. Just remember, it's the same as a triangle. And now that you know this fact, hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure that this will be incredibly useful in the rest of your life. You're welcome.